Hello, friends. Happy Monday to all of you. So, friends, the breaking news tonight is that new stimulus payments have been approved. But this is a new type of stimulus check that would only go out to targeted group of Americans. These checks would be $350. Friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video to learn if you can receive a new relief payment. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. All you have to do to enter is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the more likely your chance of winning the Walmart gift card. And friends, at the end of this video, I will be announcing today's 2 winners.
And the federal dollars that the government is sending to the states is already having an effect in my state. Yesterday, our governor announced that because of the federal dollars, there won't be fare increases or cutbacks in service on the MTA and the commuter rail. That is really good news. Well, what's happening in New York holds true in every other state in the nation. Major projects that have been long awaited have a real good possibility of getting going. So there's great news, and jobs will rain down on every state. So there's much to celebrate with yesterday's signing, and in the weeks and years and months and years to come, the American people will see the benefits with their own eyes. So I want to thank President Biden for finally delivering on something that previous administrations have tried to do but have been unable to complete. Build Back Better. Make no mistake, we will keep going in the weeks ahead by passing the rest of the President Biden's Build Back Better agenda. It's very simple. If we want to create more jobs, if we want to fight inflation, if we want to help families lower costs, the best thing we can do is pass Build Back Better. Let me repeat that. Want to fight inflation? Support Build Back Better. For all of 2021, we've seen a historic and unprecedented economic recovery compared to where we were at the depths of the COVID crisis. But there's no denying that as our recovery continues, we must work to address supply chain troubles that have exacerbated inflation in recent months. Build Back Better is exactly what the doctor ordered. No fewer than 17 Nobel Prize-winning economists.
Democratic governor nominee Nan Whaley is promising $350 checks to help residents of Ohio manage the rising cost of gas, groceries, and other essentials. But with some economists pointing to the federal stimulus as one of the drivers of inflation, her plan may not sit well with all of them. Nan Whaley's plan would take the $2.6 billion in the American Rescue Plan earmarked for Ohio and hand it out to residents directly. Checks would go to the same people who receive federal stimulus checks, $350 per individual or $700 per couple. Whaley argued that the rising costs are especially difficult for those living on fixed incomes. While inflation remains very high, many of those who oppose federal stimulus checks now argue that spending fueled rising prices by flooding the market with money. Nan Whaley laid some of the blame for higher gas prices at the feet of oil companies that she contends are gouging consumers. She also noted that other states have proposed stimulus programs of their own. As with the money already appropriated, Whaley argued sending it directly to citizens is the best way to dole it out. So friends, please let me know if you live in the state of Ohio, and do you think that Americans should be receiving more than $350? Please let me know in the comments section below. As expected by many economists, the IRS is behind on processing millions of tax returns from 2021. That's definitely frustrating for taxpayers waiting on their tax refunds, which have averaged over $3,000 this year. But there's one bit of good news. If your refund is delayed for more than 45 days, the IRS will pay interest on the total. So starting this July 1st, the interest rates increases from 4% to 5%, compounded daily. There are numerous reasons that the agency has fallen behind, including being short-staffed, still needing to catch up from the 2020's backlog and accounting for tax changes made in crisis stimulus legislation. So additionally, it may take longer for agents to process paper returns and those with errors, which they need to do by hand. Before the filing season even began, IRS Commissioner Chuck Redding told lawmakers that the IRS predicted that returns would be delayed this year, but the backlog should be cleared before the end of 2022. You may be able to receive money from the Internal Revenue Service if you don't receive your return by the mandated due date. As returns pile up at the IRS, millions of taxpayers are experiencing refund delays beyond the standard 21-day turnaround for electronically filed returns with a direct deposit refund. So if you do not receive your refund within 45 days of filing, the IRS is obliged to pay you interest for each additional day, as long as you filed by the IRS tax deadline day on April 18th. The second quarter return is an acceptable interest return of 4%, and interest compounds daily. According to Newsbreak, in 2020, almost 14 million taxpayers receive interest rate payments of $18 on average. However, if you receive interest on your refund, it is taxable and will require filling out a form on your 2022 tax return for interest payments that are more than $10. As the IRS is quick to point out on its website, many delays are also due to corrections to returns involving government assistance programs, such as the child tax credit, the recovery rebate credit, the earned income credit, or the additional child tax credit. The Internal Revenue states that these could take up to 14 weeks just to prepare. The tax agency has 9.8 million individual tax returns still unprocessed as of May 14th, including in its latest total are 2.4 million filings that require corrections and 7.4 million paper returns awaiting processing. The sum also includes returns received in 2021 and new 2021 returns. So, dear friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here daily and watching my videos. The two winners of the Walmart gift card giveaway are Bev Smith and Marley Sankor. Congratulations, friends! Please know if I have named you as one of the winners. Do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. And friends, the next giveaway is scheduled for this Wednesday. All you have to do, friends, to enter the giveaways is make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.